Hello everyone, I am Fahada, and today we'll be unboxing the February Yallah box. So let's get into it. Oh, it's wrapped in really pretty Valentine's type paper. Oh. Sure what this is, light with some sequins. Some rhinestone on it. Oh! That's pretty. Looks like a veil with the rhinestones on it. It's a very, very beautiful sort of lavender gray color. Put that to the side real quick. Then we have very nice necklace. Love how this looks. Oh, if I'm pronouncing correct, Sharif Designs. Oh, it's a top. They do, when you get the box, ask for your shirt top size, so this one should fit. Ta-da. I really like it. I haven't owned anything from this brand before. I've seen them a lot online though, but I haven't bought anything before. I really like that. Oh, some very nice earrings. I feel like metal. I don't know if you can see that. And last in the box, a CD. Oriental dance music. Very nice. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name on that. I'll put it in the description bar because I would just butcher it if I haven't heard it before. But yeah, that is what is in February's box. I really like the stuff in it. It still looks like the necklace might match the top. A little bit. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. Yeah, I'm really happy with February's box. I actually really like the veil. I don't think I would have myself ended up buying a veil with rhinestones on it, only because I think I would be worried about how it would affect the weight, but actually doesn't feel like it does. That's really nice. Also, I've been looking to pick up another veil. Very pretty. So yeah. This is February's Yallah box. I will have the link to them in the description down below, along with if they still have a coupon code you can find at the top of their own page. I'll also add that down below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in a little while. Bye.